question today is political. You compliment the minister in the morning and you sack him in the evening. I mean, look at the loss of face here, Meghnad Desai. Look at the loss of face that the government is going to face.
But has he actually been sacked? Not yet. My view is that this is a position in which very rarely the Prime Minister draws a Lakshman Rekha. He decided to draw a Lakshman Rekha on this issue, and he's going to take on Trinamool Congress, and he's going to go to the brink. And he's going to say, I stand by this railway budget, come what may, sack me if you can, and he will see his opponents out. Remember, he said 2 days ago, we have the numbers. And when he said we have the numbers, calculations have been made. Listen, nobody would have allowed Dinesh Trivedi to go out with a budget like this on raising railway fares without the Congress being in full knowledge. This thing has got Pranab Mukherjee's fingerprints all over. This has been a calculated provocation to Mamata Banerjee. They're going to split the TMC and they're going to humiliate Mamata Banerjee.
Oh, split the TMC, humiliate Mamata Banerjee. Sudhindra Kulkarni smiled. Maybe he knows the inside story.
Or maybe day after.
You think they'll split the Trinamool Congress? You think Dinesh Trivedi will lead a rebel group? You think this will be the first split in Mamata Banerjee's party? You think it can happen?
This is daydreaming. They don't know the power of Mamata Banerjee and her party in West Bengal. But the point is, if this government cannot raise resources for an absolutely critical infrastructure like railways, the UPA government should quit. We know, we in the BJP under Prime Minister Atal Bihari Vajpayee undertook the most ambitious infrastructure project in India's history, the National Highway Development Project, innovative financing. We will do the same. You know, we will change the face of railways by raising resources, which the UPA has completely failed.
Irrelevant.
Today, let's not kid ourselves by thinking that the major task before railways can be undertaken by this paltry sum of 3,000 crores. Who is the government fooling?
Nobody is saying that.
Then make resources available. If you can't make resources available to something like railways, which is a mass transportation for Aam Aadmi, then you should quit.
You distinguish between capital expenditure and current expenditure. This is for current revenue. Capital expenditure different. Capital expenditure money will be raised.
How much money has been given for the capital expenditure?
It will be raised in the future.
No, this was the time.
In the future.
No, 1 second.
This was the time. How much money? How much money has the UPA government given to the railways for capital expenditure?
BJP is not going to come to power. BJP is not going to come to power. BJP is irrelevant.
No. 1 second. Vinod Mehta, 1 second. If Mamata Banerjee today leads, if you have a straw poll in the parliament, right? Deepa Das Munshi, I'm coming to you. Just 1 minute. If there's a straw poll in parliament which says how many people are on which side, you can bet, Vinod Mehta, that 400 people, maybe 200 and 300 people at least, except the Congress party, will be on the side of Mamata Banerjee opposing this, because nobody wants to be on the wrong side of the Aam Aadmi. And sleeper fares on an average are going to go up by about 18%.
Ridiculous.
Who wants to be on the wrong side of the Aam Aadmi?
But this is... Even the Aam Aadmi, what does the Aam Aadmi say? I don't think the Aam Aadmi will mind paying a little bit extra in passenger fares as long as he gets the service. What is happening now is that there's a stagnation in service, there's bad security, and your trains don't run on time. But Arnab, the point I want to make to you is the political point, that a little bit of turmoil and disturbance in the TMC, which will keep the lady tied up in Calcutta with some idea that there may be a revolt. Because what Dinesh Trivedi has done, he has shown that the lady can be taken on. She may be a tough cookie, but on TV today he has shown and he has taken her on.
No, should the prime...
all kinds of things.
It all depends. It all depends, sir. It depends on whether the Prime Minister said no.
No, the Prime Minister can't say no. That is impossible. Once he's because the TMC put Dinesh Trivedi in the cabinet. The TMC wants him out of the
No,
cabinet.
one sec. Why can't the Prime Minister say no? Deepa Das Munshi, the Prime Minister of India, maybe with the covert backing of the Samajwadi Party, why can't the Prime Minister, Samajwadi Party will have more members of parliament, 22 members of parliament as opposed to about 18 of the Trinamool Congress, right? If the Samajwadi Party yesterday has told, Rajiv Shukla, was called up Mulayam Singh Yadav, maybe Mulayam Singh Yadav told Rajiv Shukla, fine, we'll support you, take on Mamta Banerjee. Take care of our interests in Uttar Pradesh, take on Mamta Banerjee. If she walks out, we are with you. So maybe the Prime Minister will say no, right?
Of course.
Deepa Das Munshi?
That's the game.
Maybe the Prime
That's the
Minister will
game.
say no.
That's the game.
Maybe he'll snub
Yes,
Mamta
we
Banerjee.
have to wait till what Prime Minister decides, because the cabinet is there, the Prime Minister and UPA chairperson is there. They have to decide.
No,
But obviously, I must say that if this thing goes on, like Mr. Kulkarni said, that he compared it with China, the modernization with China, but where from India, where from the fund will come? That has to be said. But he didn't suggest that. He just only compared it with China, that China, the railway is very good and all. We can debate it in the parliament. We can debate it in Lok Sabha. We can debate it in Rajya Sabha. We can debate in many other places. But now the country is facing a lot of problem due to a destructive political attitude from one party.
1 minute.
And which the party
Now,
wanted to make the entire government into a soup. She's trying to put the entire government into a soup. So just to resolve it, whatever decision should be taken by our Prime Minister, I do believe that will be for the benefit of the country.
But is it time for the Prime Ministers to say no? My only question to the panelists tonight is, for the last 1.5 years, Mamta Banerjee has been bothering the government. Is it time for the Prime Minister to say no? This is it.
There are many situations.
This is it.
There
no
are
more.
many incidents. There are many incidents we have seen.
What's it? Meghnad Desai.
Mamta is going against the government.
Prime Minister.
Meghnad Desai first. Vinod Mehta after that. Yes, Meghnad Desai.
Prime Minister is going to draw the line. This is the Lakshman Rekha. He is going to say no, he will not sack Dinesh Trivedi. He will stick by the railway budget and take on Mamta Banerjee. They'll probably transfer the TMC, but even if they don't, they will carry the vote.
Will the Prime Minister say no tonight, Vinod Mehta? Will the Prime Minister say no?
Well, I think, Arnab, whether the Prime Minister says no or not, I don't know, because regional parties will not be happy with the idea that if they want to withdraw a minister, the Prime Minister can say no. But I have another point. The Congress is just itching. The Congress party, the Prime Minister, Sonia Gandhi, are just itching to get back at Mamta. They have been on the receiving end of so much trouble that I am not surprised, even if they have maneuvered and choreographed this thing to teach Mamta a lesson or try to break her party. I think the Congress is up to its nose with Mamta Banerjee, and it's probably trying and was itching to show her the door.
Well, 1 second. Will the Prime Minister say no? I'm going to come back to Sudhindra Kulkarni. Navika Kumar is the very latest. Do you think the Prime Minister is saying no? What are your sources telling you, Navika Kumar? Will the Prime Minister stare back Mamta Banerjee and say enough is enough? I will not listen to you. I will keep Dinesh Trivedi. You can please leave the UPA if you want. Navika.
Well, Arnab, as of now, the latest from the Prime Minister's office is that they are not confirming whether they have received the facts from Mamta Banerjee. In fact, they have told us to check with Mamta Banerjee's office itself to find out whether such a fax has been sent. So the Prime Minister's office clearly at this point not trying to enter into this entire controversy as of now. What we do know is that the budget is now presented in the parliament. The budget, remember, is not just Dinesh Trivedi's budget. It is the government's budget. It has been cleared by the cabinet this morning. We know that the railway minister will need to defend this budget. The easier option, there are two options for the government. One is to get in a new Minister of Railways to defend the budget which has been presented by someone else. It's an unprecedented decision that the Prime Minister will need to take. The other option, of course, is to announce a rollback of the fare hike, which is in the first place created this entire problem. These are the two options, and clearly the government will be looking at both of these options very closely. But for now, the Prime Minister's office not confirming whether they've received the facts, clearly waiting to debate this issue internally before they come out public.
Well, very interesting. I don't know whether the Prime Minister is going to say no. Last word to Jayanta Ghoshal and Sudhindra Kulkarni. Will the Prime Minister say no tonight? Will he say no to Mamta Banerjee? Mr. Kulkarni first and then Jayanta Ghoshal.
See, whether the Prime Minister says no or not is another matter. It is Mamta Banerjee who has voiced the concerns of the Aam Aadmi, and the Congress has betrayed the promise given to the Aam Aadmi. Congress sought the votes in the name of Aam Aadmi, got elected, and now it is betraying every single issue.
Okay.
And on top of unprecedented price rise comes freight hike, passenger hike.
Yeah.
If the government cannot make resources available, it should quit.
Well,
our party knows how to make resources, enormous amounts of resources that the railways need available, so that there can be a quantum improvement in the railway infrastructure in this country. We will show it.
Will the Prime Minister say no? Jayanta Ghoshal, I'm told Mukul Roy has just reached Kolkata. He's going in for a meeting with Mamta Banerjee. Things are happening fast tonight. What should the Prime Minister do?
I think Prime Minister has to accept. In our country, coalition politics is more important than Prime Minister's choice, unfortunately, because Prime Minister accepted Shibu Soren. Just remember, Prime Minister
and A. Raja.
But he accepted. So Prime Minister has to accept the choice of his allies, ministers. So who will be minister? Although technically, constitutionally, Prime Minister is the person, but here the regional party, I mean the allies, will decide who will be the next minister.
Well,
so I think Prime Minister will accept what Mamta will say.
Well, it's a situation of absolute chaos in the government. Nobody knows who's in, who's out. In the middle of this term of this government, will we see UPA 3? Will we see realignments within the UPA? That's the question tonight. Gentlemen, thank you very much. Following the story hard.